This is the RETEVIS RT17 6-pack, and if you think it looks cool, just wait till you use it. Before we get to the radios, let's just talk about this charging base station. It has all of the protections you want. Overcurrent, undercurrent, overload, underload, overvoltage, overheating, short circuit. It's got everything that's going to protect your batteries and give them extra life. It even has these bonus ports on the front so you can charge your external devices. And you can charge your radios on AC power or DC. And each one of these charging bays is easily replaceable if it ever becomes damaged. For the most part, I like this charging base station. I do think that it is more difficult than I expected to get the radios into the charging bay. I mean, it's not impossible, but see, there's this little groove here that has to fit into these slots, and it's a little bit of a struggle. It's probably easier if you're not trying to demonstrate it on video. And okay, so it's there. It's not impossible, but what I really would like is if that thing, you put it in there and it just snaps into place. That would be ideal. As it is, it's fine, but not perfect. These LEDs are not only beautiful, but they serve a valuable purpose. You can instantly see which radios are fully charged and which ones are still topping off the tank. The radios themselves are simple and rugged. They're designed for a 1 meter drop. The first dial here is volume and power. The second is channel selection. Press this button when you speak into the radio, and I actually don't know what this one does, but it sure makes a lot of noise. Behind this port cover, we have the K2 jack. I'm no expert in these things, but it's my understanding that that is a common standard, and we will talk more about this later. When you open the box, you have to install the battery, the belt clip, and the lanyard, which means that the lanyard and the belt clip are completely optional and removable after the fact if you change your mind later. As an alternative to having a bunch of extra radios, you can order extra batteries and just swap those in and out. These can easily install in the base station charger, so you can have fresh batteries all day long. This is a 1200 milliamp hour battery, and you should be able to get between 10 and 12 hours of continuous use. But like I said, you can have extra batteries always charging in your base station if this is a 24-hour service device. RETEVIS has several models of two-way radios, but this one's pretty powerful. The signal can penetrate up to 25 floors or 300 square feet of interior space. In an open field, you can expect up to 1.5 miles of range. I never tested anything to that extreme, but in my test, the person I was testing with, I could barely see, but it sounded clear as day. I was amazed at how clear this sounded. We talked about the included lanyard and belt clip and removable battery, but there's one more item that's very cool. They also include 6 K2 standard accessory headsets, and to me they look just like those that the Secret Service wear. The earpieces fit comfortably in either ear, and they clip to your clothing. There's a second clip with a remote push-to-talk mic. These headsets can be super convenient. They sound great, and the microphone is excellent. They gave me a manual for the charging base station, but that part of the package seems self-explanatory, so I didn't read this. But I appreciate that it's there. They also talk about features that you can supposedly set via software. What software? How? They don't talk about that, but the features that you can add sound pretty interesting. One of those features is a busy channel mode, where if the channel's already busy, it will prevent you from trying to use it. And then there's the Vox mode, which is a voice-activated microphone, so you don't have to push to talk. And then there is sub-audio signaling and squelch level. I don't really even know what those are for, so I guess I won't miss them. But it just bothers me that they say you can set them in software and then just drop it. How do I rate the RETEVIS RT17? Well, they put me in a bit of a difficult position because if I only rate it on the things that I've used and understand, then I love it. But they mention things in the manual that they don't fully explain or I'm not even sure exist, so that is disappointing. Be that as it may, I think this is an excellent package, and the price is a bargain, I think, for what you get. I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5 star rating. Thanks for stopping by.